Hello, and welcome to our project Agile Mind, a series of web and mobile applications designed to increase your brain power through fun games and quizzes. We would like to thank our Professor Dr. Lee and the TA Saurav Jana for their support, and we would also like to thank the IBM Cloud Services, without which we would not be able to host these web services. The main motivation behind these games is to increase mental retention, agility, stimulation, and combating mental ailments such as Alzheimer's. Our game consists of a series of sub-games, including the color quiz, which is aimed at color recognition, a profile question and quiz, which is aimed at long-term memory, a series of short comprehension passages aimed for increasing short-term memory, and also identify objects, a quiz aimed at image recognition. When the user chooses the color game after he logs in with his corresponding username and password, if the word on the left is in the color mentioned on the right, there is a match. Otherwise, there is not a match. He must be careful while choosing match or no match. As he continues to play the game, he can finally view his score at the end of 10 such questions, as shown in the capture. Next, he can choose the profile question game, basic questions like his name, his last name, his residence, phone number, questions about his family, his school, the colleges, etc., and the car that he drives, and such important questions that he cannot afford to forget are thrown to him. He can then, after inputting the answers, take the profile quiz, where the same set of questions is randomly distributed back to him. Then he can answer these questions. At the end, after he follows the progress bar and completes answering these questions, his score is also shown. He can also take the short-term quiz. When he takes the short-term quiz, he can choose to begin the quiz after he reads the short comprehension passage. When he tries beginning them, he is given a timer of 15 seconds, after which he'll be able to answer the corresponding quiz. This time gives him enough time to retain the answers that helps him to answer the questions that follow. Again, his score is shown at the end. Finally, he can take the Identify Objects quiz, wherein he can choose the corresponding word to the picture that matches. These are simple objects, but it is with repeated practice that he'll be able to do this fast and accurately. At the end, he can choose to see his final score when he goes on to the Home tab, where at the end of every quiz, color quiz, profile quiz, and identifying quiz, he can see his progress. If he tracks his progress on for several days or weeks, he'll be able to see where his improvement lies. We have designed a mobile application that incorporates the same web services as that of the website. Again, he can fill in the user profile for long-term memory quiz. He can fill out the color match quiz. He can also do the short-term memory-based quiz and the identifying objects bit. Also, there is a review history tab wherein he can choose the quiz whose progress that he wants to note. Thank you for viewing our project. We hope that you, along with several others, will incorporate this to increase your mental stability on a daily basis. Thank you.